How to make healthier choices when you eat out. Today I'm eating from Green Table Cafe. I got It's Better Than Tuna Salad. It has cucumber, celery, cilantro, avocado, mixed greens, and mock tuna. I chose to add some mung beans, mushrooms, eggplants, and artichoke. And a falafel patty that is actually not fried, it's baked. And since I ordered in, I'm gonna add my usual flaxseed, chia seeds, and hemp seeds, as well as pumpkin, sunflower, and sesame seeds, and some oregano and 24 herb and spices sprinkled by Bragg. Thank you, God. So good.